Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Falmouth cruise ship here, and one of the largest cruise ships in the world, the Oasis of the Seas, is docked here. As you can see, this is a massive ship. It's a massive ship. It made its maiden voyage on December 5th, 2009, and it makes regular calls on the Falmouth port. It's a Royal Caribbean ship, and it was built by STX Europe in Finland. Now this ship is registered at 225,000 tons, and its length is 362 meters. It's one of the largest cruise ships in the world. It has 18 decks and it can accommodate 5,400 passengers, and it has a crew of 2,100. So that's 7,500 people on this massive ship. And this is one of many Royal Caribbean ships that visits this port. Jamaica is leading the Caribbean when it comes on to tourism, and a lot of cruise ships call on Jamaican ports. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. That's the Falmouth cruise ship terminal there. Enjoy the rest of the tour as we show you the terminal and this massive ship.